Have you ever wondered whether you should blend your foundation with maybe a beauty blender or like a kabuki brush? So I've had a request from so many people asking me if is better blending with a kabuki brush or a beauty blender. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what happens when you blend with either of the both. My name is Ife Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming here. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to, or maybe what you can do, or how you can blend your foundation. Of course, you can blend your foundation with a kabuki brush. Like this was my first way of blending, like a bit thicker or will I say like stronger kabuki brush. You know what kabuki brushes are? Like they are these brushes that are, you know, like a little bit like jam packed in the mouth, or like, do you understand me? So you can use your brush and blend in your foundation. And while doing that, just have to just carefully pattern the foundation. Do not push it in like you are fighting. You are not fighting with the face or not the brush or the foundation itself. So you have to just gently press it in so that the brush is not going to take away your product or anything. Then another thing you can do is to blend with beauty blender. Of course, this has been my recent go-to. I use beauty blenders in blending in foundation. Not just any beauty blender, but a very good one, a very damp beauty blender. You guys know, if you have been watching my videos, you will see that I use beauty blender a lot. So when I use a damp good beauty blender that is very soft, it goes in and pattern your product without removing them from your, like without taking them away. Like for me, beauty blender blends in foundation without leaving any patches. Though kabuki brush actually did that, because like I placed the two products and I wanted to blend and see what the outcome is going to feel like, or what the outcome is going to be like. The both of them are like almost the same thing, like if you are not really paying so much attention, I believe you will not really know or see any difference between the both of them. But for some reasons, I do feel like the one I blended with the beauty blender actually blended in more than the one with kabuki brush, but they are almost the same thing. Okay guys, so that is it. So with this very few points of mine, I think I've been able to like let you know you can actually blend in your foundation with either of the both, with either with your kabuki brush, or you can use your beauty blender. Anyone that works for you is fine. Okay guys, so this is actually the end of the video. I hope you love it so much as I do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.